The find, search, and substitute functions can be used to transform your data into a form that's more easy for you to work with. The find function works by searching through this word for the letter K, and it's going to return to us the position of that letter. To use this function, we just type in find, and then what we want to find. Here we want to find the letter K in the cell C4 and starting from the beginning. So we just put 1. Now, let's say we wanted to take all of the letters to the left of that K. Now we can just use the left function. Bring me back the letters from this cell, but bring me back this many -1 because we don't want to bring back the K. So everything just to the left of that K. And now we've got BAS. Similarly, we've got the search function, which searches for K in that cell starting from the beginning, and it produces the same value. Note that the find function is case sensitive and does not permit wildcard functions to be used, while the search function is not case sensitive and does permit wildcard functions to be used. The substitute function can replace something for you. Here we've taken the dash and we've turned it into a space, and we do that by using substitute, that cell. The old text was the dash, find the dash, and replace it with a space. And we just use these quotation marks to show Excel that it's text. And this is quite a useful function when you need to transform your data into a more usable format.